Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. So for today's video, I wanted to show you how to get this mauve makeup look. I thought that was a really pretty glam makeup look that would be really nice for the upcoming holidays. It's really easy to put together and it took no time at all. Super simple and just a little bit of glam. So I thought that you guys would like this look. If you'd like to see how to get this look right here, don't forget to subscribe down below and keep on watching. So to get started for today's video, I'm using the Lancome foundation. This is the Ultra Wear foundation in the shade 420, and then I'm blending that out using an e.l.f. brush. I'm then going in with the Nars Soft Matte. This is actually a sample of the foundation. It was too dark for my skin tone, but I did decide that I can use it as a bronzer. So I'm just applying it to the places of my face where I would bronze and then blending that out as well. Then to conceal, I'm going in with the Tarte Shape Tape concealer, and this is in a shade light medium. This is a nice travel size one, so I love this, and I'm just applying that where I would like to conceal and brighten, and then blending that out as well. For today's look, I'm using this bite-sized eyeshadow. This is actually in the shade Rose Water. This is a really nice palette by e.l.f. So I'm going in with the middle shade here, and I'm applying that all over my lid. I'm applying it to my crease primarily, and then doing windshield wiper motions to blend it all out. I'm then going in with the deepest shade, and I'm going to focus this area on the outer edge of the eye, so the outer V. I'm applying this using a much tapered brush, and I'm just really applying that and then blending that out. I'm going in with a nice big fluffy brush and doing windshield wiper motions once again to really get that color nice and blended. And then going in with a deeper pink kind of glitter shade, I'm going to take that color and I'm applying it onto my eyelids using my fingertips. So this is a really great way to apply glitter right into your lid with no fallout. Then going back in with the blending brush, I'm just using this again to blend everything out. You want to make sure that everything is nice and seamless and that there's no harsh lines. I'm then applying the Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil in the shade Worldly Mauve to my waterline. That way it can really pop the purple. Then I'm going in with one of my favorite mascaras, which is the Honest Beauty Mascara. I'm applying the primer and then applying the mascara right over top that. Then for blush, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me blush, and this is in the shade Plum. I'm then using the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Loose Highlighting Powder, and this is in the shade You Glow Girl, and this shade was so beautiful. I could not believe the intense glow that this gave, and it just looked really, really glamorous. And then I also applied some to my inner tear duct and blended that upward, and then to my nose and my cupid's bow as well. Then going in with the Honest Beauty lipstick. This is in the shade Forever. It's one of my all-time favorite shades by them. I love this shade. It's really, really nice, and these lipsticks last all day long. So I just applied some to my lips and then blended that out. And this is the final result. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this makeup tutorial. If you did, don't forget to subscribe down below. And until next time, remember to always create a life that you love.